Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Before I get into the video, thank you guys so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, I'm your girl Shauna and welcome to the family. Alright, so before I get into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Blow up the comment section and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's jump right into the video. Alright, so natural lovers, in today's video I decided to do a little video pertaining to giving you guys some tips on how you can take care of your human hair. And I also got a couple of questions on Instagram, just a few, not a whole heap, where persons are asking me questions. So today I'm going to be reading out those questions and I am also going to be answering them. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, so let me get my phone. So the first question: should I wash my human hair wig before wearing? You should shampoo and condition your wig before you actually put them on. So a lot of us are guilty, including myself, because when I first got my first wig, I didn't know anything about wig, right? More than I am super excited for my first wig and just put it on and style it and wear it, right? But I did my research and found out that, hey, it is important for you to wash your wigs before you actually wear them or style them. It's to get a better result. Another thing is that if you decided that you're gonna change the color of your wig, if you are taking it to the salon, or even if you are going to do it personally, you should wash the wig first. And the reason for washing the wig first before you dye the wig, so the coating or the color will affect how the color absorb, right? So you need to wash it before any chemical treatment, okay? Another thing that I want to point out to you guys, how you can know that, hey, it's time for my wig to wash. So if you're wearing your wig and it looks dull or lifeless, so if you're moving and your hair is not moving, it is indicating to you it's time for my wig to be washed. All right, so that's a good indicator on how you can know that, hey, yeah, the wig won't wash. So another question, it says that how often should I wash my human hair? All right, so for me personally, I would recommend that you wash your hair between every 6 to probably 8 wears. Yeah, because that's my count personally. If I wear my wig for the 6th time, yeah, that's when I decided to say, you know what, I'm gonna wash my wig. And if I wear 8 times, yeah, after the 8 times, I'm gonna wash my wig. And an important point that I need to point out, use a deep conditioner every other wash because human hair needs added moisture. To answer the question, so now I am just gonna quickly dive into a few little tips and tricks that you guys should avoid once it comes on to your wig. So basically, I am going to be giving you guys some additional tips and tricks on how you can maintain your wig, all right, to have it for lifetime. So for a lot of persons, they rinse the wig in hot water, and when you rinse your wig in hot water, what will happen is that you are damaging the cap. And when you damage the cap, the hair can become dry. Do not rinse your wig, right, with hot water, right? It will damage the cap. Lukewarm water would be preferable to use. All right, so another tip and trick, right, is that you should not, do not dry your wig on a solid foam or a mannequin head to avoid stretching the cap. All right, so if you used to do that, stop it. So sometimes I do it because when I get in and I am tired, the way how I'm so tired and I'm knocked out, I end up going to bed with my wig on. But you should not sleep in your wig. You should not swim in your wig. We all know that lace. So for the persons who have the lace wigs, right, you guys know that lace are very delicate, right? So you should avoid pulling those lace wigs, right? So you have some person, they don't have any patience, so when they're removing their lace wig, them just drag it off. You should not, all right? Because as I've said, the lace wigs are very delicate and we don't want to ruin the wig. No. Another tip and trick is that you should not brush your wig, especially when the hair is wet, because when you brush your hair when it's wet, you're damaging the hair. All right, so the last thing that I am going to be touching on right now is the type of oils that are best for wigs. So some of the oils that are best for your human hair wigs would be like jojoba oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and organic oils are good for your human hair wigs. These are the most common used oils for human hair wigs. All right, so natural lovers, so next time you go into your local beauty store, or if you're a person who buy your items online, when selecting like your moisturizing hair oils or cream, ensure that these ingredients are in that product. For example, coconut oil, olive oil, organic oil. Yeah, ensure even at least one or two of these two ingredients are in those products. All right, and I think that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hope you guys grasp something from it, yeah, and take into practice as well. Yes. Remember guys, we're on our main milestone, which is 1K. So yeah, like up the video, share up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend, auntie to tell a auntie. Yeah, share up the video then. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. I wonder what you're waiting for. Comment at one time, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Yes, until next time, big up on yourself. Road to 1K. Bye guys.